Good morning. My name is Prajalachi. I am studying first standard. Good morning. I am Jagadish Kumar. I am studying first standard.
Ready.
Our school name is S. Sangapalam Higher Secondary School. Jagadish, do you know which is the fourth largest state of India? Yes, it's our Tamil Nadu. GK question. Our state Tamil Nadu. How many districts are in Tamil Nadu? 38 districts. Which city is the capital of Tamil Nadu? Chennai. Is the current chief minister of Tamil Nadu? M.K. Stalin. What is the official language of Tamil Nadu? Tamil. Which is the state fruit of Tamil Nadu? Jackfruit. Which is the state game of Tamil Nadu? Kabaddi.